How to add text in Premiere Pro. Good evening, ladies and germs.
That wasn't a joke. I was talking to Dean Streptococcus.
Hi. There are a few ways to do this. Start by clicking on our text tool. Click where we want the text. Click back on the arrow tool if you want to move it around. You can also resize it. For a bit more control, go to Graphics. Here you can center it. Change what font. Change the size. And all the other normal text editing stuff. You can move it around on the timeline as well. And there's also some presets you can use if you go to Browse and then click and drag them onto your timeline. You can edit them here. There are also a bunch of presets you can download online. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.